Hello everyone and welcome to the unit 3 of the training for soft skills. In this unit we're gonna cover the understanding of the importance of the employability skills. My name is Marica Treneska and I will be your trainer and guide you through these three classes that will be part of this unit. What we'll cover this unit. This session is designed to equip you with essential skills and knowledge for your career development journey. This session in whole will cover up more topics, but today with me we're going to cover up a topic for the key employability skills and also searching for a job and also industry trends and job profiles. You will have to deal with a few practical exercises that will help you to reflect on your career aspiration and strengths as well. This session, as I mentioned, will explore employability skills, but also we will go on in various job opportunities, industries and specific job profiles. We are all witnesses that into the growing societies and with the technology revolution that we have at this point, the job and the professions are changing, but also the sectors are changing. So it will be interesting for you to learn about the industry trends and job profiles that are upcoming and which job profiles are the most wanted at the moment. So if you are in a position that you will look for a job soon, this session will help you to reflect on your employability skills and also to see the opportunities that you have to strengthen those skills, but also how to look for a job and make a detailed plan. So let's go on. What are the employability skills? In the section for soft skills, in the unit 1, you already know and you have searched and learned about the soft and employability skills. Employability skills are really close to the soft skills, and those are transferable skills that needed by an individual to make them employable. These skills are essential in the process of looking for a job, and though all of them include communication, teamwork, problem solving, adaptability, and time management. So let's break down these key employability skills. Communication is the skill to convey information effectively, which is really important, how to communicate within the work environment. Teamwork is the skill to work well with others. Many of the jobs that are open are required this skill. Teamwork is really important. Problem solving is a skill to find solution to difficult and complex issues. Every job have an issue, so if you are able to find the solutions, you will be the right candidate for that. Adaptability is to adjust to new conditions. We always have to adjust and adapt ourselves into the new conditions. So for the business sector and also for those who are uh, offering the jobs, it is really important, this skill. Time management as well, where you can use time productively. Those are the key employability skills where we're gonna talk more, and you will be able to make the self-reflection of these skills. How these skills enhance your job prospects and career growth. Employability skills makes candidates more attractive to employers and are critical during interviews. Um, During interviews, you will receive a variety of questions where they can uh, discover, are you able to communicate well? How is your ability and skill to adapt, and a variety of questions. So be prepared about that. So these skills can contribute to your career growth, but also it can lead you to higher productivity. So continuously developing these skills can help you to advance your career and achieve your professional goals. In this slide, I will explain you what you actually have to do. There is a practical exercise into Annex 1. It says employability skills in action. With this exercise, it's a self-assessment worksheet, but also it is done in the online form. You can rate your proficiency on key employability skills. You can also reflect on a specific example where you demonstrated each of the skill. The self-assessment is really important to discover on which skill are you good and which skill you need to work on in order to be better. So it is really important for you to take 15 minutes and to fill out the practical exercise. And actually, you can create your personal action plan how to improve your employability skills. For more information, please contact me if you need any if you have any questions regarding this practical exercise. The next one, it is part of the practical exercises as well, is to reflect on your career aspiration and strengths. Uh, in the in the field of looking for a job, you have to identify your career goals and personal strengths. You can, there are few techniques that I will explain now in order how to make SMART goals and also how to identify your career goals and personal strengths. In the upcoming part of the session, we're going to talk about the self-assessment, and I will explain you few tools and techniques for assessing your strengths and weaknesses. It is really important to take out your time, about 1 hour or 60 minutes, and to reflect, to take time to consider each of the section and also to write down your thoughts and example for each category in the document. All of these annexes are available and will be your assignments. So whenever you upload your assignments, I will be able to give you a feedback on your tests and everything that you will do. So let's go on. The self-assessment tool, Big 5 personality test, is a tool from Myers-Briggs type indicator, and it is really interesting for you to gain insights into your personality traits and how they can influence your career preferences. You can find this test on the following link, and it is also part of the annex. But by taking this test, you can see your personality, and also it will give you some hints what kind of job preferences you can do as well. About career goals, Um, about the goals, you have heard about the technique of SMART goal. This assignment will take you around 25 minutes. It is really important for you to set a specific, measurable, achievable, and relevant and time-bound career goal. In the annex, you have an example of all of these goals, and it will help you to clearly define what you want to achieve. Uh, the measurable needs to determine how you will measure your progress and know when you have achieved your goal. Achievable, just making sure your goal is realistic enough so you can go on, and relevant, align your goal with your broader career aspiration and values. Time bound, each goal needs to be set and within the time that you will be able to achieve it. The self-assessment, the reflection exercise, it's about your career aspiration and skill needed. Regarding the career aspiration, think where you see yourself for the next 5 to 10 years. What roles or position do you aspire to? What industries or fields are you interested in? Write down your long-term career aspiration. It is really important to be specific as possible. About the needed skills, identify the skills and experiences you need to achieve for your career aspiration. What gaps do you need to fill in? And what new skills do you need to acquire? These both of the self-assessment reflection exercises can be part of your future career, but also it will help you to think in detail where do you see yourself in the future 5 to 10 years. Now let's move on the next part about exploring job opportunities, industries, and specific job profiles. As I said, about the industry overview, we're going to cover key industries, about job roles, trend job roles within different industries, and I will tell you some research technique, how to search for a job, and how to follow the industry trends. Key industries. I have write down around 5 key industries, but I'm sure that there are more. These are more general, and we can concentrate more about the technology industry that includes software development, IT services, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence. At the moment, the technology industry is the most developed one, and it is an industry where they are employing people all the time, but they have to have certain skills and also knowledge about IT. The second one is the healthcare industry that encompass hospital, pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and medical devices. The healthcare industry is also in the developing and one of the most needed for the the humanity, I can say. So whenever you are part of this field, just go on and search more in detail about possibility that you have on local level. The third one is finance industry that include banking, investment, insurance, and financial services. The fourth one is education industry that covers primary, secondary, higher education, as well the educational technology. This is some kind of trend um, and education is following the trend as well, and it's developing on its way with new methods and using technology tools. The renewable energy industry involves solar, wind, hydro, and other renewable energy sources. This is also in the trend of developing, where the energy can be really used for many things that are in our everyday. Here I can introduce some of the trend job roles within different industry. It is always important when you search for an in industry what actually you can do there. For example, the technology industry covers key trend about cloud computer, machine learning, and data analytics at the moment. The healthcare industry include telemedicine, personalized medicine, and healthcare IT. So it is somehow symbiosis and connection between a technology and health. The finance industry key trend includes fintech innovation, blockchain, and regulatory changes. The education industry include online learning, personalized education, and educational software. And the last one about renewable energy covers energy storage, smart grids, and green technologies. So all of these fields are filled with different profiles and job position where you can go and search in deeper and in order to find your career aspirations. The research technique for a job may vary from country to country, but this part is really crucial for to make to be informed about your career decisions. Where you usually we got the open job position on the online job portals, industry reports, joining professional association, conducting informal interviews with professional, visiting the website of companies. It is really important that to follow the job trends, and if you are specifically interested in some of the companies that you want to work in, just go on their website. All of the website have a special field with information about employment and see whenever they have an open job position. Um, Joining the professional associations is also a way how you can connect with more professional, and also to make your network more rich in order to have more information about that profession and that job position. Now, by the end of this session, you will be aware of your employability skills, which are the most important into this part of this unit, and to have your prepared career goals and with clarity and purpose. And also, I hope I shared with you some information here, but also you can find in detail in the handbook, so you can go on and uh, search for in the best job position that you would like to have. See you in the next session. Thank you. Thank you.